One thing's for sure, Javi. Itong dalawang teams na to, the players on the floor right now, kilala sa kanilang mga,
to really help in contributing to that for Muntinlupa, while Rocky Asidre, Gabe Capacio, and Buenaflor will be providing the scoring punch.
Well, Kevin Buenaflor, Chino Mosqueda facing his former team. Altamirano, left-handed scoop.
He's always been a gifted scorer who can go.
Altamirano, quickly to Jonas Tibayan. Nagcut si Mosqueda, left-handed scoop. And stretch layup goes in para kay Chino Mosqueda. They swing it over to Gabe Capacio, who knocks down the jumper. And one thing's for sure dito sa Muntinlupa, the time, be in his player's ear, no? Pero alam ng player niya kung anong gagawin.
And that's the strength of having a coach playing that kind of system for you.
One shooting drill.
Hindi ka na umabot sa depensa?
Hindi na. Hindi, pinatapos ko muna yung depensa. Ballesteros. Altamirano, plenty of contact, and he knocks down the three. Oop.
Really initiated that contact. Just really sold it well to our referees.
Are, now with mag-isa. Takes it strong to the rack. Edsel mag-isa.
Well, he may...
Marcos uses the pick from De Leon, shakes off the D. Makoy Marcos using that offhand a little bit. Has been inserted into the game. Moralde. That's a foul. Will he get continuation? Yes, he will. Dave Moralde.
Significant playing time with whatever coach he plays under.
16 recovers but loses it again. De Leon, and he scores.
That's where Muntinlupa will be relying to get a lot of their points on. 5 na talaga. May 6 man pa.
Moralde ahead to De Leon. Another fast break finish.
Back-to-back scores in.
Moralde. Asidre for 3. That's good.
Just fluid.
15-16 is the end of the first quarter scores. Now with Disoyo. Jumper is good. Alex Disoyo.
Yeah, also another guy that is very used to.
On the run, Yambing is open. That's a 3.
Many people may know Rinwell Yambing as an
22-21. They go to Batak, denied by Ballesteros. Sumbero on the stick back.
Specialty of the house para kay Jason Ballesteros.
And not only that, developed professionally.
Yes.
Yambing, hang time, and the score.
He showed his outside shooting prowess a couple of possessions back.
Roman, the kick out. Are will attack. Are lays it in. Paying Are extra aggressive.
And you could also think it would also cross your mind that as Kenji Roman knocks down the 3, that kung hindi sana siya
the ball, Dave Moralde fires a 3 and he knocks it down.
On the other hand, Dave Moralde will be Yambing after what happened. He's going to have to play through it as Sombero knocks it down on the other side.
And Sombero.
Breakdown defensively that got Sombero one-on-one against Ballesteros.
And Muntinlupa, all of a sudden, finding their range. 5 of 10 from beyond the arc. 8 on the shot clock. Longalong, that's a tough shot, and he hits that one over a very capable defender. Proving to be a solid pickup here for Muntinlupa. Marcos over Ballesteros. And he gets an and one opportunity.
A known shot blocker in Jason Ballesteros. That's very impressive.
Muntinlupa is getting a breather. Final play. Oh, nice one. De Leon scoring.
The baseline inbound to get Muntinlupa an 8-point lead heading to the half.
Rocky taken away by Michael Are. Lo. Mosqueda, spin move, tough shot, yes!
Okay, Rocky Isidre got greedy on that last play. He already should have given it up to Josh Luther getting the foul.
And he completes the three-point play. Narenal. Down low, Giab is open.
You could see nobody is
A really good shot creator for them, no? Kung, when they need someone to bail them out. Michael Arre knocks down the three.
you talk about shot creators.
Coming off a series of picks, Kenji Roman. Lo will take the three. That's short. Rebound ni Mosqueda. Umatake and Gino Mosqueda. Not the prettiest, but he's really scrappy.
He has really practiced that floater game of his, and he gets a steal here playing the passing lanes. And here's Muntinlupa to get another steal.
As well. Mag-isa against Sombero. Mag-isa puts it in for two.
You should know better if you're Jetro Sombero.
Moralde has the fire. That's a three. Dave Moralde.
He is no stranger to big moments, especially when the clock.
Nabitawan ng bola ni Rin William Bing.
I think he wanted to slam that. Late niya na lang na-realize na bitin pala yung talon niya.
Ganda ng pasa. Dave Moralde, saktong-sakto para kay De Leon.
Especially, he's been one of the double-digit scorers for Quezon City from last season, averaging 10 points per game. But yeah, those fouls, as you mentioned.
For Sarangani, di ba?
Yeah.
The board, quickly to Longalong. Drives deep inside the paint. And Longalong reverse layup as Disoyo. Yambing underneath. So 4 quick ones for Quezon City. This time Roman providing the pick. Disoyo. Out to Roman. The extra pass. Salem for 3. Yes!
Badly needed basket right there para sa Quezon City.
Quezon City. This end of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX. It's his own miss. Nasa ilalim si Tibayan. Yambing recovers and hits.
He needed that badly. He wanted to see that ball go through the hoop, and now his confidence.
Roman. Mosqueda for 3. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's been lacking with Muntinlupa in this.
Lost it. Marcos on the run. Marcos drops it off to Dave Moralde. Disoyo left alone, and Alex with a quick response.
Oh, what a sequence for both squads in the past 3 possessions.
Shout out as well. Hope you're enjoying the game. Marcos knocks down the 3.
Dahil nakashoot si Makoy Marcos, we'd also like to give a shout out.
His dribble. Paeng Are will attack, leaves it to Ballesteros.
See, as long as the guards of
Sombero, 5 to shoot. Sombero gets his own miss and puts it in.
I don't know if he.
And Cuevas, 68 to 67. Are sees a free lane and puts it in for 2.
Earlier, it was Alex Disoyo. Now, Paeng Are turning.
Quezon City, kabila naman, Marcos and Moralde. And Marcos.
And this is why you appreciate this. They're just gonna be playing so well.
Yambing, plenty of time on that three-pointer.
They need a stop here, though, talking about Muntinlupa.
Are on the move. Baengare. Speed is Cuevas. Finishes on the other side. 32 seconds remaining. Could not get the roll. Cuevas will get the 2 points. 5.9 left. And that's it. Final buzzer sounding here at the Elonte Sports Arena, and this final score is brought to you by GameX. 81-74 ang ating talaan na Javi.